Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new. My name is Jenny. Today we have a Longchamp unboxing. So I wanted to show you guys this bag. This is just going to be like a really quick unboxing because I honestly just walked in the store, I knew what I wanted, and I got out. My friend Mimi, shout out to you girl, I love you so much. We've been talking back and forth and she was just telling me about her Longchamp and how it had a hole in it, and I was really nervous to get one because I wanted to be able to get it repaired. She told me, you know, like I have a hole in it and like but she's very like careless with her stuff, so she was like, I have a hole in it and you can't get it repaired and stuff. So I was really nervous, but the CA that helped me at Longchamp actually told me that you can get them repaired, but I don't know if it's because of the material that I actually got. Like I was saying, my camera overheated, so sorry, but I've been filming for a really long time actually, so I'm very tired. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got, and the CA told me that it can be repaired, so I was happy about that. And I really actually love the item. It was funny because I was joking with Mimi that she said that it looked like a trash bag, and I really didn't see that until I actually looked at the item, which I thought was hilarious. So yeah, it does a little bit, you know, when there's nothing in it, but when it's stuffed, I love the way that it looks, and I think it just looks like so casual. And I do plan on using this as like a running errands bag, just so I don't have to use my Neverfull. So I can only use that one for traveling because I want to be like really carefree and everything, and I don't want to have to worry about the vaqueta or anything. I decided to get a Longchamp bag, and I'm actually so happy. I had my eye on this for a while, and I know that sometimes Nordstrom has really good like percentage on like cash back and stuff, but honestly I didn't give two shits about that just because I'm so over, like, I don't know, I just like don't really care. So yeah, I just decided to get it here just because I really like didn't care about the cashback or anything. I'm just like, so it's like, it gets annoying to be honest after a while. So I just decided to go ahead and get it here just because I like walking around and I like, you know, people helping me out and servicing. So I just like the experience of being in a store as opposed to ordering online. But I understand if you're an introvert, ordering online is just a lot easier for you. But yeah, I do like going out to the shops and like shopping and stuff, so I don't mind it. But let me show you guys what I got. So as you can see, well, I'm getting really washed out right now, but she wraps it really beautifully. So this is the bag that I got. It is the Le Pliage tote, and this is the large one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, and it's actually a canvas material. She told me that this material is actually canvas, and they do have one that's nylon. The one with the brown handles, I believe, is nylon, and this one is canvas. So it is absolutely gorgeous. It comes with a Longchamp care card, and it just basically tells you how to use it and avoid contact with oily products, protect the product from heavy rain, avoid prolonged exposure to bright light. After use, they recommend to storing the bag in a case away from light and humidity. It would actually be nice if they provided a case for it, but they didn't, so it's fine. But yeah, it does have one pocket in here. So just this pocket here, and then it's pretty wide on the bottom, I would say. I'm excited to use this as my gym bag because I just thought that it would be like the perfect item. I'm always wearing freaking black to the gym, so yeah, and I'm signing up for base camp again, so I needed a bag that would carry everything. And I realized that when I was going to the farmers market and stuff and I wanted to do other errands, my like backpack, my gym backpack, was too small. Yeah, I love the zipper. The zipper is actually a better material than the original ones, like the basic ones that everyone has. So I just wanted something a little different. I think that this one is really nice and sleek, and so yeah, I just think that this looks like so cool, and like I definitely would look like a badass like just walking around in the airport with this and my black carry-on. I just think it's like so cute, and I love the look of this. I love that you can put so much stuff in it. She didn't tell me exactly how much you can put in it, but the straps look pretty sturdy. I don't know, their glazing is like a little weird, so I'm not too sure about that. She said that the handles will soften up over time, which I'm happy about because they're pretty like, they don't feel like they would be too uncomfortable. I'm like pulling on the bottom just to see. They don't look like they would be too uncomfortable, but I just love the way that it looks, and I think it holds my laptop, so let me just put that in here. Okay, so this is my 13-inch MacBook with the touch bar, and I'm just gonna put it in here, and it slides in perfectly. Like, that is so nice. Forgot what I was saying. I do want to get a base shaper for this just because I don't like the sagginess of the bag, but obviously if you want to carry more, then don't use a like a bag organizer or like a base shaper, because I feel like that just minimizes the amount of space that you do have. So I still have a lot of room in here even after that. I think a base shaper would be okay, but I meant to say bag organizer. If you are using a bag organizer, you will not be able to maximize the space in your bag. Like my Neverfull, when I have the bag organizer, I can bring like half of what I would usually bring on a trip. So I use it most of the time because I need all of my stuff in little compartments. But if I'm just like running errands and stuff like around my town, then I definitely won't. I just don't see the use in doing that. But I just like all of my stuff everywhere, you know? So I feel like a lot of people like their stuff a little bit more organized, but I don't. So yeah, I love this. It's very spacious. Like, wow, that's a lot spacious than I thought. And I just think it looks like you can make this look so classy. Classy. And like, it's just so nice. I love that this doesn't have the black and brown, because I feel like brown is very, very casual, and it's not really something that I feel like matches with everything, whereas black definitely does. Black just makes you look like a badass. Period. Oh, my laptop is even acting as a base shaper, so that's pretty funny. But yeah, I love this. And she did tell me that as the corner wears, she said just bring it in, you can get it fixed. So the corners do look like they'll have some wear to it. I have a Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch that has these corners on it, and it does tend to wear. But she just told me that I can just take it in, they'll send it off to wherever they make these bags. Where are they made? I have no idea. Oh, so this is their textile card. I don't know where they're made in. I don't know much about this brand, to be completely honest, but I just know that this bag is a super practical bag for a lot of people, so I definitely just recommend you guys go try it on in stores. I was in there for a little bit just trying on different sizes and seeing which one I thought would be good for me. I love the little backpack that they have in this. I think it's so cute, but I think everyone should like get one of these for their collection. I do wish that I was able to choose the hardware, because I would prefer gold over silver, but silver is more like gym bag vibes, you know? So it's very casual and I really like it. So yeah, this is my new Longchamp bag and I'm very excited to start using it. I think I'm gonna switch out the stuff from my Neverfull in here, because I don't know that it's not really the same size, but it looks like it is very comparable. I would say that you have to cut off like this from the Neverfull, and I have the GM, by the way. So yeah, it's the bottom looks like it's not as wide, but honestly I think that's just because it's not like completely folded out. So yeah, I'm just tired of babying my Neverfull, and I just wanted something that would be a little bit more practical, and this is what I got. So very happy about it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my unboxing, and I just am happy with what I got today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching once again. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!